Father, we thank Thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care, and all that makes our life so fair. Help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good. And all we do and all we say, to grow more loving every day.
And fellow students, I request all teachers and fellow students to stand and respect the national anthem of both countries. Thai national anthem begins.
ประเทศไทยรวมเนื้อชาติไทยเป็นประชารัฐผ้าไทยของไทยทุกส่วนอยู่ดำรงคงไว้ได้ทั้งมวลด้วยไทยล้วนหมายรักษาพันธิตไทยนิรักสงบแต่ถึงรบไม่กล้าเอกราชจะไม่ให้ใครคุมขีสละเลือดทุกอย่างเป็นชาติทะเลทะลวงประเทศชาติไทยทวีมีชัยชโย
Indian national anthem begins.
Good morning, everyone. Today I will tell you the quote of the day. Freedom is never dear at any price. It is a breath of living. What would a man not pay for living? By Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.
Good morning. Today is the second virtual assembly presented by grade 6. 15th August is celebrated as Indian Independence Day and 12th June is celebrated as Independence Day of Philippines. We take this opportunity to respect and honor both the countries. The Philippines, consisting of more than 7,000 separate islands in the Western Pacific, declared independence from Spanish rule over 120 years ago. General Emilio Aguinaldo was responsible for making this claim, but it wasn't until 1962 that then President Diosdado Macapagal made it a public holiday through a presidential proclamation. Come, dear friends, let us join their celebrations and victory of the Philippines. Thank you.
Subhyanshi will tell us a short speech about India's Independence Day.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम सुव्यांशी पटेल है। आज मैं आप सभी को भारत में स्वतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी को भारत में स्वतंत्र दिवस का महत्व समझाऊंगी। भारत में स्वतंत्र दिवस 15 अगस्त को मनाया जाता है। 15 को हमारा भारत ब्रिटिश राज से मुक्त होकर स्वतंत्रता प्राप्त की थी। इस दिन प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर जाकर वे झंडा फहराते हैं और जिन लोगों ने अपने देश के लिए कुछ कुछ किया है, जैसे कि अपना देश का नाम रोशन किया है या अपनी जान ही खो दी इस देश को बचाते बचाते, उन सभी को सलामी दी जाती है और वह राष्ट्रीय गान भी गाया जाता है। पहले वह बच्चे आकर प्रधानमंत्री को गले लगाते थे, पर अब ऐसा नहीं था क्योंकि कोरोना की वजह से। पर तो भी भारत ने हिम्मत नहीं हारी और स्वतंत्र दिवस मनाया। पर प्रधानमंत्री ने किसी को छुआ तो नहीं, पर वह सबसे मिले थे। धन्यवाद और आप सभी को स्वतंत्र दिवस की वापस से ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं।
I see that all the kids have understood the meaning of independence today. So, what shall we promise to do on our own from now?
Wait, I'll tell you. I promise to brush my teeth independently twice a day, in the morning and at night.
Yay! Well said, well said.
I promise to change my clothes independently. I promise to feed my dogs independently every day.
Well said, Div.
I promise to finish my tiffin in school independently every day.
Oh, bunny.
I promise to pack my school bag independently every day.
That was absolutely wonderful, everybody. Happy Independence Day!
Happy Independence Day! Happy Independence Day!
Eddie Boy will tell something about the Independence Day of the Philippines.
Good morning, my dear teachers and fellow students. I am going to share with you the Philippines Independence Day. The Philippines, consisting of more than 7,000 separate islands in the Western Pacific, declared independence from Spanish rule over 120 years ago. Then, Emilio Aguinaldo was responsible for making this claim, but it wasn't until 1962 that then President Diosdado Macapagal made it a public holiday through a presidential proclamation. The Filipino flag was unfurled for the first time on this day, June 12, in 1898, at an inspiring celebration, which also featured the first public playing of the Philippines national anthem.
May I request everyone to please stand up.
Happy to be
made great strides. It's considered to be an emerging market and a newly industrialized country. Tourism also makes a large impact on the Philippines economy. Thank you.
Sa bawat panahon, sa bawat kasaysayan, sa sama-samang tinig, sa sama-samang lakas.
Sa bawat tindig, sa bawat hakbang, saludo ang alay sa ating inang bayan.
Good morning, each and everyone. Nowadays, times have been tough for all of us. We have all sacrificed because of this pandemic, yet we have survived. This challenging time have tested our character, but we have not backed down. It has tested our perseverance, but we are still here. We are still strong. Today, we should be proud of our accomplishments, proud of our strengths and weaknesses, and most especially, proud of ourselves. Thank you, our dear students, teachers, administration, and parents. Good morning.